is an integrative negotiation between two parties. One is the entrepreneur who wants to start his new e-business and the managing director of a web designing company. The role of the entrepreneur will be played by Neha and role of the managing director will be played by Rincy. Prior to this negotiation, both the parties have discussed the basic needs of each other, and this negotiation is basically to make decision about the aspects of cost, lead time, contract period, etc. However, earlier in the day, Neha had a meeting with the managing director of another web designing company, Creative Crows, and they were ready to offer her the service for 1.8 lakhs. But then she did not find the offer attractive enough and is now trying to strike a deal with Rincy for less than 1.3 lakhs.
Hi Neha.
Hi Rincy, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm also very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So tell me.
Rincy, I think last time we have agreed upon what we need in our project. This time I just want to go into nitty-gritty and discuss the various things. For example, how much time will it take to complete the project and what's the cost of that?
Okay, so we have already discussed the requirements of the project, and based on the figure that we have derived it, I've come to a figure of 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs? Actually, I have thought about 45,000.
Okay, so jokes apart, let's come to serious business. So as per the calculations that I have made, I have already discussed you what are the requirements and the various cost aspects. So the final figure that I have arrived at is 1.5 lakhs.
1.5 lakhs, I mean that's again a huge amount.
So it's based on your requirements. So how much do you think it will cost you?
I think it's just 1 lakh should be fine for both of us.
No, 1 lakh is too less for me. So I'll agree to a figure of 1.2 lakhs, but provided you give us a 3-year contract.
Well, I would be reluctant for a 3-year contract unless you will provide us the maximum downtime of 4 hours per month.
Okay, Neha, look, you have opted for our normal service, and for normal service the downtime is 6 hours per month. So it won't be possible for us to give a downtime of 4 hours per month, but then you can always shift to our premium service.
And what's the cost of that premium services?
Okay, so we have opted for normal service, and if you are going to premium service, definitely it's going to be much more expensive.
Well, I really don't want to increase my budget. What about the lead time? How much time will it take to complete the project, the site?
Okay, normally as per our calculations, it's going to take around 8 months. Normally.
8 months is a last time. Actually, we want to just complete it in 1.5 months only.
Okay, if you want it to be completed in 1.5 months, definitely it's going to cost you more because we need to hire an extra developer. And also, I suppose that to complete it in 1.5 months, I want you to pay us at least one year advance.
The development time generally takes up 3 months only, and I want to complete it in 1.5 months only. So we can do one thing. I can split the difference. Let's do that. I will pay the advance of 6 months here, and you will complete the site for me in 1.5 months, provided that you will provide me the maximum downtime of 4 hours per month.
Okay, so let me clarify. You will be willing to pay us 1.2 lakhs and a 6 months advance, provided we give you 4 months downtime of 4 months, and also lead time of 1.5.
1.5 months. I just want to complete the site in 1.5 months.
Okay, okay. So Neha, I think we can seal a deal here. You are a tough negotiator, and I think it's a good deal.
So this is the deal, fine?
Yeah, it's fine with you.
Okay. Congrats.
In this negotiation, we can see that Neha was able to strike a deal for 1.2 lakhs. Also, she was able to integrate other issues such as downtime, lead time, etc. into the negotiation. As for the web designing firm, they were able to get an advance payment and obtain the contract for 3 years. Thus, by discussing about the other issues, both the parties were able to expand the value of the pie and strike a good deal. In this negotiation, we can see that both the parties are using different tactics and how it is being dealt with by the other party. Thank you for watching the video.